Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to avoid setup crashes and errors in FitGirl repack. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now minimize this page and double click on the game folder. And now double click on the setup file and select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys, limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And then make sure nothing is running in the background and select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK option and select next. In optional voiceovers, you just need to select your preferred language guys. I'm gonna have the Russian language and only check your preferred language and then select the install option. After the installation done, just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select the add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the folder. Select it and select folder option. And now as you can see the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. And now just to close stuff here, uncheck this option guys, open this site, redirect to this site and then select finish option. As you can see all files are okay, there is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the Visual C++ and DirectX. If you already has the Visual C++, you will get this setup failed message. There is no problem guys, just to close out of here. And now the game will launch. And as you can see the game opens up without having any problem. And you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys, thank you.